ààrẹ ọ̀nà kakanfò nílẹ̀ Yorùbá Iba Gani Adams bàbá ti kọ lẹ́tà o, bàbá ti kọ̀wé sí ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu lórí bí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe le koko táyé nira fáwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà táti jẹ táti mu táti ná táti lò tó wá dogun dọdẹ fọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà láì ṣe wípé àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ò ṣiṣẹ́, láì ṣe wípé wọn ò gbìyànjú, láì ṣe wípé wọ́n jí wọ́n sùn wọ́n káwọ́ gbéra. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ ó dàbí ṣíṣiṣẹ́ irin mímọ́ jẹ ìjẹ ìlérí. Ìgbìyànjú táwọn èèyàn ń sà, akitiyan táwọn èèyàn ń ṣe, iṣẹ́ táwọn èèyàn mú ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ òòjọ́ wọn kò tó jẹ mọ́, torí pé ọ̀wọ́n gógó àwọn nǹkan èlò kò ṣeé má ní lójoojúmọ́, kò ṣeé má lò lójoojúmọ́, ó ti gbówó lórí jù, ó ti dogun dọdẹ. Owó ribiribi la fi wá ń rajà kékeré, èyí ló jẹ́ káyé ó nira láti gbé fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà láàkókò tá a wà yìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún ti wá ń jọ pé ó ti ń kúrò ní ti mẹ̀kúnnù nìkan, ó ti ń bá àwọn tá a lérò wípé Ọlọ́run kẹ́, Ọlọ́run fún lọ́rọ̀ gan láwùjọ. Tí kì í bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èmi lérò pé àsìkò yìí kọ́ ni ó yẹ kí ààrẹ ọ̀nà kakanfò fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá Iba Gani Adams, àsìkò yìí kọ́ ni ó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jáde láti bá ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n Yorùbá ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó kù lókè ó taṣọ gbẹ. Bọ́kàn tí ẹ jẹ́ pé ó ti pẹ́ tó yẹ kí ààrẹ ọ̀nà kakanfò Iba Gani Adams kí wọ́n gbérù gbéṣẹ̀ eléyìí tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé yìí láti bá ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀. Ohun tí àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ń kojú lásìkò ìṣèjọba rẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ó bà ní kò bàjẹ́ o, oòrùn tó kù lókè ó sì taṣọ gbẹ. Téèyàn bá ṣe tán láti fọṣọ láti sá. Ààrẹ Iba Gani Adams wọ́n kọ̀wé, wọ́n kọ ìwé sí ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu láti ṣàlàyé ohun tí àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ń kojú, tí wọ́n ń fojú winá lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Báwo wá ni ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, báwo ni wọ́n ṣe kọ, báwo ni wọ́n ṣe gbé lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ìwé ìròyìn bí wọ́n ṣe gbé síta. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mú wá fún yín kẹ́ gbọ́. In an open letter titled President Bola Tinubu, Time is Going, Present Administration has disappointed Nigerians, adding that the citizens can no longer bear the economic hardship. He said, and I quote, "We have no regret that we were created to inhabit this geographical space in the West African axis of the African continent. We are happy to be here because I don't know any country in the world that God has blessed in terms of natural and human resources like Nigeria. Obviously, past leaders since 1960 disappointed Nigerians with the way Nigeria and Nigerians were badly led and resources selfishly managed. When you came with the Emilokan slang term in the building up to the 2023 elections, many Nigerians were persuaded that as a Democrat exposed to the modern way of governance, you will perform better than Muhammadu Buhari, a soldier who deepened the poverty levels of Nigerians and increased insecurity from 2015 to 2023. Today, events have proved that they were wrong. Mr. President, to say the truth without minding wars, without minding whose ox is God, without minding whose ox is God, you have disappointed many Nigerians who thought you were the Messiah they were waiting for. The facts are there to speak for themselves. On May 29, 2023, when you became the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigerians, the price of a liter of fuel was less than 200 naira. Today, it is more than 1,000 naira. As the Minister of Petrol, I ask you, what type of reform is this? Question. In May 2023, the naira to a dollar was less than 740 naira. Today, it is more than 1,600 naira. Now, your two right-hand men when you were governor of Lagos State between 1999 and 2007, Wale Edun, Financial Minister, and Yemi Cardoso, CBN Governor, are in charge of the economy. What exactly are the fiscal, economic, and financial briefings they give you daily to convince you that they know what they are doing in those two offices? When Buhari left on May 29, 2023, many Nigerians heaved a sigh of relief that insecurity would soon become history. Pitiably today, from the north to the south, east to the west, the rate at which Nigerians are being abducted and some killed, even after ransom was paid, it was as if these bloodthirsty maniacs have just been unleashed on Nigerians from the hottest part of hell. As the Commander-in-Chief, the rising spate of insecurity across the country has put to question the kind of briefings you get daily, especially from the Inspector General of Police, IGP Egbetokun, the Chief of Army Staff, General Taoreed Lagbaja, and other security chiefs on their modus operandi to send these killers to where they belong. In August, many Nigerians came out to express their frustration on the way you are governing them. Today, some of those arrested have been charged with treason. in the Committee of Nations. Who does that? Is that the way government are overthrown with placards? Human rights activists are being harassed by security agents daily, and civil society organizations, CSOs, have become soft targets of sycophants who speak sweet words to your ears for selfish reasons. Many Nigerians know the radical role you played when you were governor, and even after 2007, when you galvanized and mobilized them to challenge the status quo at the national level. Now that you are in the government, protest has suddenly become a criminal offense. God is indeed great. The plain truth is that this recent fuel price increase by the Nigerian National Petroleum Company, an agency which is under your office as the petroleum minister, is an attack on Nigerians. Obviously, your administration is becoming indifferent, insensitive, and unresponsive to the plight of millions of Nigerians who can no longer meet their daily needs. This is a brutal assault on the sensibility of Nigerians. I think you and your party should be sensitive to the plight of Nigerians. Mr. President, don't you think the wicked and draconian increase in fuel price, especially at this time that Nigerians have been pushed to the wall, is a huge recipe for crisis? Nigerians can no longer bear this economic hardship any longer. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá Iba Gani Adams tó fi ránṣẹ́ sí Ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, lórí kọ̀báolé, lórí àtijẹ, àtimu, àtiná, àtilò àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ tí ààrẹ sọ yìí, ṣe rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ tí Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò Iba Gani Adams tó bá ààrẹ aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́yìn náà ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò ọ̀rọ̀ ààrẹ Iba Gani Adams yìí. Ẹ gbé yẹ̀wò, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ èrò tiyín àti ìwòye tiyín lórí rẹ̀. Ẹ fi ṣọwọ́ sí wa, ẹ fi ránṣẹ́ sí wa láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí. Ṣé yóò dọ́dọ̀ ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu? Ṣé aṣíwájú ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ṣé wọn ò rí kà? Ṣé ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ṣé wọn ò ní rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìfẹnutẹ́ńbẹ́lú ìṣèjọba àwọn? Ẹ fi èrò tiyín àti ìwòye tiyín, ẹ fi ránṣẹ́ sí wa láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí. Kájọ gbéyẹ̀wò, kájọ sọ, torí pé tá a bá ní ọ̀kan ni ó lè kẹni tá a mọ̀, ó lè kẹni tí ó kànyàn. Ibi náà ní ti di dágbére lórí ètò fún tòní. Títí ọ̀la tá a tún pàdé lórí ètò. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá ní pín, ẹ bá ní share rẹ̀ sórí àwọn social media platform yín, X, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, YouTube àtàwọn social media platform míì tí ẹ bá ń lò. Tajudeen olówó òkè lórúkọ tèmi, MC tó ta sánsán ìnàjú ẹkùn tí bọdẹ lẹ́rù ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ẹ ṣé o, àdúpẹ́ àmọ̀rírì yín.